I'm Jimmy. I'm a graduate of Centriq. I'm a support services technician at an MSP. Before coming to Centriq, I was a store clerk at Quick Trip, just running the cash register, and then I was a student going for a communications degree at Johnson County Community College. I had some friends who had gone through Centriq, told me about it, sounded like a great fit for me, so I went ahead and did it, and here I am now. Through high school, I was always building computers, playing games, things like that. I knew I liked the tech areas, but I wasn't a super great student in high school. I felt like it was kind of unreachable for me. After high school, I had left and went to community college, realized it wasn't a great fit for me, and then I had changed path and went to Centriq. Centriq is, the learning is much less standardized. The teachers understand and kind of fit each student's learning style a lot better than traditional schooling. My favorite thing about Centriq was definitely kind of the community aspect. It turned into a friend group by the end of the 4 months, and we're still in contact now, talking to each other about how it's going, their job search processes, things like that. A year ago, I graduated high school, and now I have a job in tech because of Centriq. If that standardized style of schooling doesn't seem to fit you, kind of the way it didn't fit me, Centriq is definitely a route that I would recommend.